No success. It actually ended up leaking right there where the back piece is crimped onto the aluminum cylinder. Ended up leaking, so that's where we gotta stop for today. They're not bad, but we're gonna clean them anyways. She's in. Perfect. That one's perfect. So this is holding. We're just gonna make a we're gonna use this to tap into this little hose and hopefully just pull a little bit of vent or vacuum. Should be just enough. Yeah, so we put all this stuff back together, but still not starting. This time we actually ended up bringing some starter fluid, and when it was cranking, I'd come from spark, but when it was cranking, I would open this up, hit some starter fluid, and it would start to actually try to stay on. But the pump is going. I just don't think the pump is pushing either enough pressure or it's not actually spinning, but the motor is spinning. So I'm assuming that pump, even though it works, I think something's wrong with it and it's not working. Because even this one that was installed, that was used, it was leaking out of this area right here where the metal is, the aluminum is crimped in place. It was leaking out of there, so we can't use it. I think Chinese one just doesn't work. That's what it is. 190 that we found on Facebook. So he's in the middle of working on taking out the fuel lines. We're going to take everything from the injectors all the way to the distributor. People already came and claimed all this other stuff right here. This is what we ended up getting from the guy. The regulator and various hardware right here. We got I don't know what this is, but he says that this is part of the whole system, so took it anyways. And this whole assembly here. Just the whole thing. Just decided to get the whole thing, might as well. But he says it was running. I even got the 5th injector. I got the other injectors too in the little brake clean solution. And I got them just in there. Wanted to clean them up before I put them in. Other than that, all the fuel lines are here too, just in case. He's just working on trying to get this thing swapped out. So we're going to do one at a time. We're going to start off with the regulator first. That doesn't work. We're going to move over to this piece. And if that doesn't work, then eventually we'll just move over here.